Are you looking for your next outdoor 3D print? In today's video, I've got 3 solid picks, one being a tribute that you're not going to want to miss. So let's get to the video. I test outdoor gear prints so that you don't have to. Subscribe and get a fresh file each week. First up is the Height Container by Laban. If you guys watched last week's video, we did another one with using one of his products. He's got great stuff, but check this out, guys. This is a 2-hour print, and it is a container. To keep this print easy, I just printed it with the regular PETG, but this can be printed with a waterproof washer. A couple of the key features that I really like about this, you've got some really nice texture on this so that you can have a nice grip on it. And then the lid screws on, flawless, easy print. I didn't have to adjust any of the settings or anything like that. I just went straight from his print profile. And then to attach it to the backpack or whatever hiking gear you're using, he does have this nice little slot that's printed into the lid. And you can see we've tied a piece of leather on it. This thing ain't going nowhere. I personally think this would be really good to have when you're out hunting, maybe even fishing. I could see, especially if you as a fly fisherman, you could put some of your prized flies in a container like this. Let me know in the comments down below, what would you put in a container like this? This next container is JanBerry's waterproof container. Again, I printed it all with PETG, so it's not going to be as waterproof as it could be if you was to print it with a good proper seal. But this print is a much larger 3D print, and it's also got the screw-on cap. No adjustments to the settings at all. I just ran this straight through the Bambu printer just as it came. Now, I do like the attention to detail that he's put into this. This is really cool. It feels good in your hand. It's an easy print. It's roughly 4 to 5 hour print. He's also got a little logo here. This part right here, being on a different plate in case you want to print that in a waterproof or a seal type material, that's actually really cool. But everything clipped right into place, had no problems printing this. You can look inside. This one being a much bigger container, what would you use this for? Because I think this one's got a lot of multi-uses. I think it'd be really good for a fire starter kit. You could actually put lighters. You could put tinder in here. You could put all kinds of things in here. What would you use an outdoor cup like this for? Comment down below and let us know. Our next one up for today is the Tactical EDC Carry, and this is by REDKAT. We're going to be putting the links down below so that you can print out each and every one of these, but this is a really, really cool EDC type kit that I think would be awesome to carry with your backpack or your gear when you're out in the field. It's got a clip-on lid. This is a very thin print. It'll print in about 2 hours, and you can print it all on one plate or maybe even separate it if you wanted different colors. I printed this one in PETG so that maybe it would cut down on the chance of warp or any of that when you're outside in the direct sunlight. But I plan on using this. Now this one, it's not going to be waterproof, but you can keep some of your smaller items that you're looking for. And then another thing I got to thinking about this morning, this one could actually work since you've got this separate bracket. If you was to design a little hole in here, you could actually make this a hide key. You know, maybe screw it up underneath a wooden deck or screw it up underneath your camper and then attach it, and that thing shouldn't go anywhere. What do you think? Comment down below, what would you put in this print right here? I think it's a great design. Again, this one printed flawless. I didn't have any issues with the print settings directly from the download. I didn't make any tweaks or adjustments. These are prints that you can actually download yourself, especially if you're new to 3D printing. You don't have to mess with nothing. They're just gonna work. And then lastly, this is going to be the bonus round. This is actually something that I'm trying to donate to the community as a way to give back and kind of show our support of the things you guys are providing for everybody. I want to do the same thing. This is an iPhone or a phone holder, and I think it would be great to take it to camp, maybe even leave one in the camper since you can print them out yourself. I've already got one in the office. I've got one in my work area in the 3D print shop. And then to make it kind of fun, if you notice, I've got a lot of different triangles built into this. That'll be something fun. If you do print this out, comment down below how many triangles you can find in this one print, because I just wanted to make it fun, along with something useful, something that was fun. Comment down below, guys. Let me know what I missed. What would you like to see in future videos? We're going to continue doing this, Lord willing, as long as we can. I hope each and every one of you have a blessed week, and don't forget, let's get outside and make something happen.